Here's the doorbell of your unit. It's still covered with protective plastic. There's CCTV on every floor for added security. The door is made of solid material. And the unit has a video intercom so you can see the lobby and call the admin or security whenever you need assistance. The unit comes with split-type air conditioners. The balcony of the living area overlooks the landscape area, a BPO complex, the condominium building for turnover in 2027, the Savoy Hotel next door, and the city lights of the Shophouse district. Here's the kitchen with a granite countertop, overhead and under-counter cabinets, and a provision for refrigerator, and a maid's room that can be converted into a guest room, pantry, or storage room. There is a provision for a wash and dryer as well, plus a small toilet and bath. This is the one bedroom, faces a future green area, currently under development, the hotel, a third condominium, and an office complex. The unit already includes a modular closet and a split-type air conditioner in this room as well. The toilet and bath includes a mirror and a countertop, a partial glass shower enclosure, a soap holder, and other accessories. This is the master bedroom, which faces the 2-hectare rainwater park, San Fernando Boulevard, and the future Capital Mall and Museum. Preparation for excavation is underway. And there is another balcony connected to the master bedroom, again with views of the hotel, condominium building, green area, BPO complex, and the mall and museum. This room also has a split-type air conditioner, a built-in modular closet, and a toilet and bath. The unit is generously sized and already semi-furnished. You only need to bring your appliances and furniture.